distinguished colleagues and friends. This year, we gather to celebrate a historic milestone, the 50th anniversary of UN Tourism and its 26th General Assembly. For 5 decades, UN Tourism has brought together nations, showing that tourism is more than travel. It connects people, cultures, and nations, building bridges for collaboration and shared progress. At the heart of this story are the people, the guides, the creators, innovators, and hosts who drive tourism forward. Inspired by their dedication, we will shape the future of tourism, advancing global development and meaningful connections. Saudi Arabia is honored to host this important gathering in Riyadh, a city where tradition meets innovation. I warmly invite you to join us this November for the largest and most diverse assembly of tourism leaders in history. Together, let's celebrate, define the future, and continue building a lasting legacy of global tourism collaboration. I look forward to welcoming you soon here in Riyadh.